welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay, and for all my new viewers and subscribers, welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm doing my vlogmas number 2, so it's gonna be a bit different from my vlogmas number 1. Basically, I'm going to cook, do some laundry, clean, and I might run to the grocery store to grab a few items to cook. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe and also hit the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload my great content, and I will see you all on my future uploads. Hope everyone is doing wonderful today. As for me, I'm not feeling too well for the past days, so as you can see, I'm taking my emergency because I'm coming down with something like the flu, so I have to be drinking this every morning. So today in my vlogmas, it's going to be a bit different, just regular home routine. I'm going to cook and do a little tidying up. I might run to Publix to grab a few items to cook as well. So just continue watching. So now that my kitchen is clean and tidy, it's time for me to make some breakfast. So I'm gonna make some cornmeal porridge for my breakfast. that my water is boiling, I'm going to put my cornmeal mixture in. Yes, so my porridge is done making. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Who wants some? Who wants some of my cornmeal porridge? Really good, guys. Look at it. Wow, so I'm now having my breakfast. Just some cornmeal porridge, and normally I would drink my porridge with some crackers, some cinnamon crackers, but I'm out of crackers, so porridge alone it is. Vanilla, the nutmeg, the cinnamon powder. I didn't like cornmeal porridge as a child growing up. Look at me now. I love it. So, you know, maybe make it better than mommy. From when we see Livia Wandan, and Wandan make a post on YouTube, and I don't really get to watch it, so I'm going to watch it now. So yes, guys, I try to include apple cider vinegar in my daily intake. You can take the gummies instead of just drinking the liquid. The gummies are easier to take and they're really nice. Okay, guys, so I went to Publix and grabbed a few stuff to cook my dinner. Some barbecue chicken thigh with rice and peas. good old juicy barbecue thighs and legs. I have to wash my chicken with some vinegar. So I'm done cleaning my chicken thighs and legs. I'm gonna season it and drop them in the oven. I'm gonna put a lot of onion powder. That I put so much seasoning, I'm just putting a little bit of salt, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper. So this is gonna be some spicy barbecue. Honey, ketchup, barbecue sauce, and yes, I put them on. I season my chicken with them. And I'm also going to it's a browning because we don't want no white barbecue meat around here. So this is how my chicken is looking at 1 hour. These are my 7 o'clock and I've been vlogging from 12 o'clock. So this is how the chicken is looking. I'm going to put it back in the oven, but I'm not going to cover it this time. Peas and rice with my nice coconut milk. This Christmas candle in Bath and Body Works. Smells really nice, so I'm gonna light it now. So that's it for my vlogmas number 2. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.